Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3125 power x is equals to x power minus 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start the today's video solution. So first I'm writing this. Now I'm going to multiply with the power 1 by x both sides. Now according to the exponent rule, a power m power n is equals to a power mn. So we can write this as 3125 whole power x times 1 by x. So we can eliminate x by x. So 3125 power 1 only. 3 by 125 is equals to, now comes to the right hand side. We can use exponent rule, x power minus 1 is equals to 1 by x we can write. So we can write this as 1 by x power 1 by x. Now 3125, we know that we can write this as 5 power 5 is equals to 1 by x whole power 1 by x. So now if we comparing both sides, so the value of 1 by x is 5 and we can write 1 by x as x power minus 1 is equals to 5 and x is equals to 5 power minus 1. So x is equals to 1 by 5. So the value of x is 1 by 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.